Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I am pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity, which was very easy. I just want you to look at the reference slide to tally your answers. Now look at the B-LIFFT number 1, which says demonstrate the ability to identify and sort words from different reading materials, pictures, and immediate surroundings. What you have to identify? Action words, naming, and describing words. All of these words you have learned very well in the previous class. Now just look at the focus, which says naming words, the names of people, places, animals, or things. And what are describing words? These words tell us more about a naming word, and they are called describing word. They tell us about color, size, and how something feels. In the passage, all describing words are in blue and all of the naming words are in red. Now, let us read about the action words first. We all know that these words show what someone or something is doing. They are called action words. In the passage, all action words are green. So let's underline the green words first, because these words tells us that some action is going on. Now let's read it with me. A little bird sits on a green branch of a tall tree. The happy bird sings a sweet song. Below, a kitten watches the bird. The kitten has soft fur and a long tail. It chases a red butterfly on the green grass. The big yellow sun shines brightly in the blue sky. A cool wind blows and the colorful flowers dance. Now let's have another example. On the screen right now, you can see a picture. In this picture, there are lots of naming words. Few are there on the screens, like boys, trees, flowers. Can you name few more? Yes, there are birds. There is a mountain. There is a river, a ball, and a bat. Now, let's look at the other type of the word, which is the describing word. As we know that these words give more detail, or they tell more about a noun. For example, orange, which is a color and it tells about flowers. Then large, this is another describing element of the mountain, which you can see. And tall, you can see there are trees in the picture which are tall. Now let's look at another type of words, which is action words. We all know that action words tell us what something or someone is doing. Can you name other action words in the picture other than playing, running, and flying? Yes, the river is flowing. The boy is catching the ball. The boy is holding the bat. So now from these examples, we have understood three types of the words, which were naming, describing, and action words. Now for the formative check, you have to carry out this activity in the practice book with the help of your teacher, and in the practice book there is an other activity which you can do with the help of your teacher in the class, and right underneath the classwork there is homework which you can carry out at your home with the help of your parents. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. See you again in the next B-LIFT. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.